In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tags in Zoho Books. If you're looking to keep your financial reports organized and customized to your specific business needs, creating tags is an invaluable tool. This process helps you track transactions by categories like departments or regions, making it easier to generate customized reports and gain insights into various aspects of your business. Now, let's dive straight into the steps you need to follow to successfully create tags in Zoho Books. To get started, we first need to access the settings. This is where all the magic happens. Look to the top right corner of your Zoho Books dashboard and you'll see the gear icon. Give it a click. This will open up the settings menu, giving you access to a variety of customization options. Once you're in the settings, our next destination is the Reporting Tags section. It's housed under the Customization heading, so keep an eye out for that. This is where you can manage all your tags and create new ones tailored specifically for your reporting needs. Now, let's move on to creating a new tag. In the top right corner of the Reporting Tags section, you'll notice a button labeled Plus New Tag. By clicking this, you're taking the first step towards creating a new organizational tool within your Zoho Books. Next, it's time to define the tag details. This is where you get to introduce the tag to your system. Begin by giving your tag a descriptive name. This could be something like department or region, depending on how you intend to use it. The name should be clear and distinct, so that it's easily recognizable whenever you're categorizing transactions later on. Once you have your tag name sorted, it's time to define the options that fall under this tag. For example, if your tag name is Department, you might have options like Sales or Marketing. Similarly, if your tag is Region, your options could include North or South. To add more variety, click on the plus Add Another option to expand your list. And remember, if you find an option that isn't relevant anymore or was added by mistake, you can always remove it by clicking the trash icon next to it. Finally, after arranging all your options to your liking, don't forget to click on the Save button. This action commits your new reporting tag to the system, making it ready for use in categorizing your transactions. Once saved, your newly created tag is ready to help you organize your finances and streamline your reporting processes. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to creating tags in Zoho Books. This feature is not just about organization. It's a powerful tool to enhance your reporting capabilities and give you deeper insights into your business operations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.